Hey everyone, it's Sam from Creative Sue Tutorials. I'm feeling incredibly grateful and humbled today because we just hit a massive milestone, 25,000 subscribers. Honestly, I'm still blown away. When I started this channel, I never imagined that so many of you would find value in my tutorials and join me on this journey. It means the world to me. I remember when I first started editing, I was fumbling around, making tons of mistakes and feeling super frustrated. But I kept at it, kept learning, and slowly but surely, I started to get better. I created this channel because I wanted to share everything I learned with you. I wanted to make the journey easier for others, to show you that you don't need fancy equipment or expensive software to create amazing videos. And your support, it's been the biggest motivator. Your comments, your likes, your shares, they all fuel my passion to keep creating and keep helping you. So, to celebrate this incredible milestone and to give back to this amazing community, I'm doing a huge giveaway. 5 lucky winners will receive my cinematic editing pack, jam-packed with premium resources to take your videos to the next level. Imagine having access to these stunning fonts, these cinematic LUTs, this collection of viral music and sound effects, all yours to use in your own projects. Entering the giveaway is super easy, just like this video. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below telling me what kind of videos you create. That's it. Oh, and for an extra entry, you can follow me on Instagram. I'll announce the winners 5th of January, right here in the comments and in the community tab. Thank you, from the bottom of my heart, for being a part of this community. Can't wait to see what we achieve in 2025. And yes, happy holidays. You're the reason I do what I do. Now go enter that giveaway and let's keep creating awesome videos together.